वेलकम टू सीजेसी बाय कुणाल सर। आप ये जो इंटरव्यू देख रहे हैं इनको सिर्फ 1 महीना हुआ है। विद इन 1 मंथ आप देख सकते हैं इनकी प्रोग्रेस कितनी हुई। गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning.
सो टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ।
So my name is Komal Zoting. Currently, I am in third year pursuing my degree in computer science at MIT WPU, and I am here at CGC to build my expertise in front-end and back-end technologies, and to build a strong foundation in real-world solving problems.
ओके, सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय जावा?
So Java is basically a powerful object-oriented language, uh, which is used to develop platform-independent applications. It is secure, robust, and supports different multi-threading. And that's it.
ओके
Yeah.
ओके कोमल, योर आंसर वाज ग्रेट।
Thank you.
सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ऑब्जेक्ट्स?
So, so object is basically an instance of a class. Object is a real-world entity, and memory is allocated to it. It can be created with a new keyword.
ओके,
Yeah.
व्हाट इज टाइपकास्टिंग?
Typecasting is the process in which the data type of one variable is converted into the another data type.
ओके
Yeah.
ओके कोमल, टेल मी व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ टाइपकास्टिंग?
So there are generally two types of typecasting. First one is the implicit typecasting, which is done by the compiler. Here the data type is moved from the smaller to larger, while in the explicit typecasting, which is done by the programmer, the data type is moved from the larger to the smaller.
ओके ग्रेट। ओके कोमल, टेल मी हाउ टू क्रिएट एन ऑब्जेक्ट।
Object is created with the
न्यू कीवर्ड।
through new keyword. Like suppose we have a class A, then we will write capital class A, then reference variable, which is generally is derived in a small letters, then by equal to syntax, then new keyword, and then the capital class name and parenthesis and semicolon.
Yes, great. Okay. What do you mean by covariant return type?
Covariant return type, when the return type of method is a class name, then we can return the same reference variable or their child class reference variable, but not their parent class reference variable.
Okay. Okay, Komal. What is constructor?
So constructor is basically a special type of method which does not have any return value. There are actually three types of constructor. First one is a parameterized constructor, second one is a non-parameterized constructor, and third one is a default constructor. And if we can create multiple constructor in a single class, and if no constructor is there, then the default constructor is initialized by a compiler.
Okay. Okay, Komal. What do you mean by oops?
So OOPS is basically object-oriented programming. Java uses this, and many other programming language also uses object-oriented programming. It is generally inspired by the day-to-day life, and the purpose of OOPS is basically to language understanding, to make language easy to understand.
What are the types of oops?
There are generally four pillars of OOPS, that is inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation.
Okay. Okay, Komal. Can you explain me polymorphism? What is polymorphism?
So basically polymorphism means one name and many forms. We can achieve polymorphism through two types, that is overloading or overriding. So starting with the overloading, it is also known as a compile time polymorphism or a static binding, while as a overriding is known as a runtime polymorphism and dynamic binding. And in overloading, the method name is same but the parameters are different, while as a constructor can be also overloaded, but in overriding the method names is same but parameters are also same. Also the constructor cannot be overriding here.
Yes, great. Okay, Komal. What is inheritance?
So inheritance is basically a parent-child relationship. It is also known as a easy relationship. Parent class, it is also known as a superclass, while as a child class is also known as a subclass. There are different types of inheritance.
Okay, Komal. Does Java support multiple inheritance?
Actually, by using inheritance, it is not supported in order to prevent the ambiguity and the complexity. But by using the interfaces method, we can use it.
What do you mean by super and this keyword?
So super keyword refers to the parent class constructor variables or methods, while as this refers to the current class variables, methods or constructors.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Komal. What is method in Java?
So methods are basically a block of code in which the functions are created. method, when we call the method, that function is executed and we get the output.
Okay. Tell me the types of methods.
Usually there are three types of methods, that is parameterized method, which has parameterized mention in it. Then second one is the non-parameterized method, which does not have any parameters in it. And third one is the parameterized method with a written type. So in which the written value is get.
How can we create method in Java?
Method, can I tell the syntax?
Yes.
Okay. Public class, public. If we don't want any return type, then we can create it with a syntax like public void and the method name, that is emvel, then parenthesis. If we want to specify the arguments in it, then we can specify it, and then the curly braces or a block of code.
Okay, Komal. The interview is done from my side.
Okay, thank you.
आई होप आपको इस वीडियो में बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा. दिस इज खुशबू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.